How to get a home button on screen iPhone. So the new series of iPhone now doesn't have a button like physical button, but if you want to have this button just like this one, the one that I'm moving here. If you want to have that, all you have to do is to proceed here to your settings. Go to your settings, go to your accessibility here. Now, why do you think this is a home button? That's because if you click on this, you can go directly here to your home, or you can go to control center, basically a shortcut for you, assistive touch for you. So on iPhone, it's not really home button. It's not termed as home button, but it's on assistive touch. So what you're gonna do here is to go here to your accessibility and click on touch. Now here on touch, you will see the first option here, the assistive touch is currently turned on. Now you may not have this button, so probably that is turned off. That's why you cannot see it here like this. Now, if you turn that on, if you tap on the assistive touch and then turn on the assistive touch here, as you can see, you will see this button, and here you can see it's either single tap, double tap for the custom actions, and you can even customize it. And basically, you have to just go through this depending on how you want to manipulate it or how you want it to be. And basically, that's it. That is how you get a home button on screen iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.